You know what I'm saying?
That's how he tell him,
You
like,
a boy. You one of my boys. You one of my boys. You know. Yeah. And then he think it's slick how he be hitting him a boy. Nah, yeah. you know what the hell you trying to say. So you already know you been in that category.
yeah.
So you already know what you're trying to say. You know what I'm saying? Just keep it 100. Now my boys, y'all know what I'm trying to say. You need to stop saying that shit. They're my players. They're my boys. Can't use that shit no more. They done caught you in the Guinness World Books.
Yeah.
The Guinness World Books on your ass, nigga. You just acting shitty. So you can't be saying that shit.
But I don't believe it's gonna hurt them though. But they still got Cooper Rush.
Cooper Rush. Man, that's what we were saying, but man, I'm like, he did so good, man. I don't know why they.
Yeah, I took a look at him.
He should take Prescott shit.
What's it called? And showed it.
Prescott ain't do shit. He want to sit over there and call plays. Man, sit your ass down somewhere, man. You want to be a quarterback? Okay, go there. Tell Cooper Rush gonna get in this thing. He ready. He ready.
I don't think he's no coach.
I don't give a damn. He was doing a good play calling. Give a damn.
Yeah.
Sit your ass on over there.
If he do, he gonna be one of the coaches kind of like Tony Dungy.
Oh shit. Well, hey, whatever.
You got coaches.
Yeah, you got many of them. You got all type of. You know what I'm talking about? So hey, he can be one of them.
How they bring him?
He can be one of them. But I'm just saying.
But that's the new offense they got.
Okay.
The players he was calling, that's what he's trying to get him ready for, that West Coast offense. Right, it ain't finna be no more of this him running back looking, trying to find out what to do. You don't know what you do when you get the ball in that West Coast offense. It's a fast game.
Ooh, let's get it popping then, Cowboy Nation.
Fast that ball popping
Cowboy Nation, that's what I'm saying.
It's a fast game, man.
We were moving it, moving it and everything. I'm like, oh, okay. Cowboy.
Yeah, that's what Dak trying to learn. He was calling the game, but he trying to learn, he be in school too.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. That's all good.
Yeah. The West Coast offense,
do something.
Win the Super Bowl.
We gotta do something. But nah, what's up with this old knucklehead? What you say? He didn't need Dollar General.
Yeah, man.
What the hell he do? I don't be watching that damn movie.
This is in Atlanta.
Atlanta? Oh shit, ATL?
Yeah.
Oh shit.
Listen. Oh man, I'm looking at the ATL when Trump went over there.
Mm-hmm.
And you got a lot of blacks standing out there with Trump.
Yeah, going with him, I think. Yeah.
I'm telling you.
You said somebody
This
shot up some school or something?
Back to the 60s, man.
Oh yeah,
Say Trump was there, he got indicted and all this. So that's where he at in Atlanta.
Yeah, he in Atlanta. Oh,
yeah. So white boy go to the all-black college.
Yeah.
And they called the security on the college campus, man.
Yeah.
And they said they reported a man was standing out here, got out of his vehicle, and he was putting on a vest.
Oh shit.
Putting his vest on, yeah. So I think he was going to shoot somebody at that school. But the security came up and he left. They got him on camera. And he left.
He went to a store.
He went to a Family Dollar first.
What?
Come out to Family Dollar, he went on a Dollar General. He stopped at a Dollar General. Right. Just like say this Dollar General.
Yeah.
I'm pulling up from the park.
It was just like an ambush like he did on the damn mall.
He was standing there with
AR-15.
AR-15, yeah. He was standing there when the car, I come to the store.
Yeah.
He was standing there with the AR-15. Bam! Black. Then he went in the store and leveled down on 2 more.
Oh, I tell you, he crazy. See?
And then shot himself.
Oh, he shot himself too.
White boy, man.
What the hell?
I'm telling you, Trump getting back to the city. You finna see all kinds of stuff.
Man,
Trump
y'all better be ready. Y'all better be ready. Stay armed and ready, man. They out here acting a fool, man. Acting a fool. You think you really got some justice over that shit you did? You really thought you got some justice on that, man? Say, y'all gotta watch you.
Say.